Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In this video lesson, we will learn the present perfect subjunctive. If you want to download the worksheet, you will find it attached in the description. In this video, we will learn how to form and when to use the present perfect subjunctive. We will also include some exercise to practice. The first step is learn how to form the present perfect subjunctive. For that, we are going to need to first conjugate the verb haber in the subjunctive. As you can see, it's haya, hayas, hayan, hayamos, hayáis, hayan. To this auxiliar form, to this auxiliar verb haber, we will add the past participle of the verb, being ado or ido, depending on the ending ar, er, or ir. To this auxiliar verb haber, we will add the past participle. And remember that we will do that by replacing the ar for ado and the er or ir for ido. Let's do some practice. I'm going to help you with the first one. If I want to conjugate I have talked in the present perfect subjunctive, I will first have to choose the form of the verb haber in the subjunctive that corresponds to the subject, haya, and then conjugate the verb in the past participle by saying hablado. Therefore, haya hablado is the answer. I'm going to give you some time to see if you can do the next one, which is we have talked. Choose hayamos and then conjugate the past participle by replacing ar with ado, hablado. Haya comido will be the answer for she has eaten. Hayan vivido. Hayas trabajado. Haya estudiado. When we are working with the present perfect subjunctive, we are using the past participle, and it's important to remember that we have a list of irregular past participles that we will have to study or somehow refresh. You can find them right here. You also have them in the worksheet in the last page. Now, let's think about when to use it. Stop the video if you need to take some notes. The first use of the present perfect subjunctive is the recent past. The present perfect subjunctive appears in all situations that require the subjunctive mood, but refer to past events that are still within the speaker's psychological present, just as in the indicative mood. Take a look at this example. No creo que haya ido a trabajar hoy. Estaba malo. In the sentence, no creo que haya ido a trabajar hoy. Estaba malo. We are finding the no creo, which is a sign of uncertainty. I can say no creo, no pienso que. Those triggers are opening the idea of using the subjunctive since we are uncertain of the idea. Therefore, it is required to use haya ido instead of ha ido. Remember that ha ido is marking a certainty, marking something that is secure. We know facts, we have information about that. So it's not ha ido, but haya ido. Again, ha ido, it is 100% secure. Haya ido is not. The second usage of the present perfect is to talk about the future that has already been complete. For instance, in this example, cuando haya terminado de cenar, te ayudaré con los ejercicios. With cuando, we are going to set the stage to a future moment or future timeline in which we have done something. That situation, it is from the perspective of future event. So this present perfect subjunctive can also be interpreted as a form of expressing yourself in the future, granted a situation that you are making reference to. As in the example, cuando haya terminado, as soon as I finish. And the last usage is to talk about wishes about the past. We are familiar with the word ojalá. You can check the video above if you want to learn more about the form ojalá. But ojalá means I wish, and in combination with the present perfect subjunctive, can be used to express a wish about something that has already happened, but whose outcome is unknown. Take a look on the next example. In the next example, we have a group of students who they feel hungry and they are thinking something like, ojalá haya comprado pizza. I wish that he has bought pizza. We don't know the outcome. We don't know if it's real or not. I hope he has bought the pizza, but in that moment, they can only wish for the best, okay? They can only say, ojalá haya comprado. All right, now that we have explored how to form it and when to use it, we are going to listen to some videos to see if we can make a connection of what kind of usage they are kind of like showing.
Cuando hayamos terminado el trabajo, dejaremos todo impoluto. Cuando hayamos terminado el trabajo, dejaremos todo impoluto.
No creo que hayan sido así las cosas, José Ignacio. No creo que hayan sido así las cosas, José Ignacio.
All right, good job. So this is the summary. In this video, we have learned how to form the present perfect, remember, using the present subjunctive of the verb haber plus the past participle. And also, we have explored when to use it. Thank you for watching this video. I truly hope that this lesson has helped you a little bit to be more familiar with the present perfect subjunctive. Also, please make sure that you can check the worksheet with more notes and more examples, more practice exercises. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Que tengas un día estupendo. Hasta pronto.